10 affordable upgrades to boost your home value. Hello, and thank you for joining me. My name is Mike Bolger. If you're thinking about selling your home, you probably want to get the best price possible. Fortunately, you don't have to break the bank to boost your home's value. Today, I'm going to share 10 affordable upgrades you can do to increase your home's appeal to buyers and potentially raise your selling price, all without emptying your wallet. These simple yet effective upgrades can make a big difference in how your home shows and how quickly it sells.
Baby, get me high, touching me like lightning, keeping it exciting. You know exactly what to do to blow my mind. You're from another planet. I've never felt like this. I don't know how I ever survived without it. I'm starry-eyed, got me upside down, spinning around you. Wanna taste the clouds, dance with the moon. Take a trip around your body. Boy, I love the way you got me. Starry-eyed, got me starry-eyed. This bed is out of space, just keep painting constellations. You cover me in glitter till I'm shining bright.
As you can see, boosting your home's value doesn't have to be expensive or time-consuming. With just a few affordable upgrades, you can significantly increase your home's appeal to potential buyers. These small improvements can help you stand out from the competition and even lead to quicker sale and a better price. If you're ready to get started, I'm here to help. With every step of the process, from choosing the right upgrades to preparing your home for sale. Let's work together to ensure your home looks the best and attracts the right buyer. Thanks again for your time. I look forward to helping you real soon. Click or call anytime at mikebolger.ca or 519-616-2656. Thanks again. You have a great day.